Okay, today we're going to do our practice test because we have a math test tomorrow. There are a couple of things that we need to remember, and we talked the entire chapter about place value. So if I have the number 78, I know that this number on the left is always going to be the tens. You guys are exactly right. Okay, and then the number on the right is going to always be the ones. You were exactly right. Then it tells me how many tens I'm supposed to write. How many tens am I supposed to draw? 7. And how do I draw a quick 10?
A line.
A line. How many am I going to draw?
7.
Okay, and then this number tells me what?
To draw 8 ones.
To draw 8 ones. Okay, so I drew 78. Now, mathematician, how can I check it?
Count them.
Count them. Are you ready?
Yes.
10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
1, 72,
73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78.
Very good. I have a hundreds number chart to help me. Okay, so that way I know how to write the numbers correctly. On number 3, it says count forward. That just means I go one more, one more, one more. Okay, and we're going to keep counting. Then the next one is a little bit different. It's counting by tens. On my hundreds number chart, how do I count by tens?
Down.
I go down 1, okay, instead of beside it. Okay. We should know how many tens there are and how many extra ones we have. So you need to see which one shows how many tens and how many ones we have. This one is which one of these makes this same number. The same number, but in a different way. Remember how we did that? The same number in a different way. We did that 3 different times. Remember that? How we took them apart or put the tens together. Okay. I want you to get out all of your colorful pages, and I want you to flip it to the very back with the penguin.
My grandma likes penguins.
Okay, it says choose a number from 10 to 99. I do not care which number you choose, but it has to be between 10 and 99. Can I choose 100? No, I cannot. It says to write the number in the penguin. So whatever number you choose, write your number in the penguin. Please do that now. It says to draw and write your number using tens and ones. So I want you to right now draw and write your number down here. You cannot choose a new number. It has to be the number that you wrote in your penguin. Okay, I'm going to write my number. My number is 19. I'm pretty for sure no one chose that number. So should I see anyone change their number to 19?
No.
No, I should not. Okay, so you keep your number, but I'm showing you. We are not on that one. Get on the one we are on, sir. I'm going to show you to help you with this next one, okay? It says start at your number. So I drew my number right here, right? You drew your number, correct? So now I'm going to start at my number. So this is something completely different. I'm going to start at my number, and then I'm going to put a comma. What does the comma tell me? What does the comma tell me? It's a different number. You're exactly right. So it says start at your number and count forward. Write the next 5 numbers. So I'm going to write 5 lines. 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. I'm going to write the next 5 numbers. So what comes after 19?
20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Okay, so that's all I needed to do. Do you see how I drew 5 lines so I could fill it out? Now I'm going to, okay, the next set of the directions says start at your number. So I'm going to start at my number again, but I'm going to put a comma. Count by tens. Write the next 2 numbers. So all I have to do is 2 more. 1, comma, 2. So what's 10 more from 19? About 21. 21's right here. What's 10 more? 29. So I'm going to write 29. And then what's 10 more? 39. So I'm going to write 39. Do you guys see how you should have 3 different things written on your paper? You should have your picture. Do you already have your picture done? Awesome. Then you should have start at your number and count by ones. Okay? 5 more. Then start at your number again, but this time we're going to count by tens. Okay, so you've already got 1 step done. You just need to do the next 2. Does anyone have any questions?